This is problem number 5 for assessment number 7. In this problem it says Scott invested a total of $5,400 at 2 separate banks. One bank pays simple interest of 11% per year, while the other pays simple interest at a rate of 9% per year. If Scott earned $546 in interest during a single year, how much did he have on deposit in each bank? So this is a problem that you guys have already done before, and we did not use systems of equations to solve it. We had to come up with an expression for the second bank account in that problem, and you're going to see that it's a lot easier to use systems of equations to do the problem, and it just kind of comes natural. So the two things they give us, two pieces of information. They tell us the total is $5,400 and the interest is $546. And we have two bank accounts, so I'm going to say X equals, and it says one bank pays, so we're just going to say X equals deposit in bank 1, and Y is going to equal the deposit in bank 2. So because we have $5,400 that was deposited or invested, we can say that X plus Y equals $5,400. Now they tell us the amount of interest for each account and how much it accrues each year. And they say that Scott made $546 in a year in interest. So we can say that 0.11x for the first account plus 0.09y for the second account is going to give you this $546 amount. Now, at this point, we can use Desmos. You should use Desmos, plug it in, figure out what your solutions are based on that. But we also need to solve it algebraically. So in order to solve it algebraically, I would suggest either elimination or substitution. In my opinion, I'm probably just going to use substitution here because X and Y both have coefficients of 1. So I'm going to subtract X on each side. So it's Y equals 5,400 minus X. I'm going to plug this in for Y here. So it's 0.11X plus 0.09 times 5,400 minus X equals 546. Now I can distribute, so I get 0.11x, 0.09 times 5,400 is 486. So plus 486 minus 0.09x equals 546. I can combine like terms here, and at the same time I'm going to subtract the 486 over. So 546 minus 486, 60, equals, when I combine like terms there, that'll be 0.02x. Let's divide by 0.02 on each side. So x is going to equal 60 divided by 0.02, which is 3,000, meaning that Scott invested 3,000 into bank 1. So $3,000 invested in bank 1. How much did he invest in bank 2? Well, let's take this and plug it into the other equation that we had written, which was 5,400 minus 3,000, which is Y equals, that'd be $2,400. So that's how much he invested in bank 2, and those add obviously to the $5,400. So our solutions are 3,000 in bank 1, 2,400 in bank 2.